Canceling Kikoff doesn't automatically delete your credit history, because your account activity can still remain on your credit report even after you stop using the service. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel Kikoff, what happens to your credit progress after cancellation, and how to avoid accidentally hurting your credit profile. First step is logging into your Kikoff account. You go into the account settings section and look for subscription or billing controls. That's where cancellation options are usually stored. Once you start the cancellation process, Kikoff may ask you to confirm your decision. This is standard because credit building services often try to retain active users due to the impact on credit reporting activity. After you confirm, your subscription stops, but your credit history does not disappear. That's the key detail most people miss. Credit bureaus don't remove accurate historical data just because you cancel a service. Your payment history, account age, and reporting record can still stay on your credit file, depending on how Kikoff reported your activity. That means your progress doesn't reset, but new reporting from Kikoff will stop once the account is closed. Second thing to understand is how your credit utilization and account mix may change. If Kikoff was one of your only credit building accounts, closing it can slightly reduce your active credit activity. That doesn't erase your history, but it can change how your profile looks going forward. If your goal is protecting credit progress, timing matters. Many users choose to keep the account open until they have at least one or two other active credit accounts reporting regularly. That way, closing one account doesn't leave gaps in your credit profile. If you're canceling because of cost or inactivity, there's also an alternative option. You can sometimes downgrade or pause usage instead of fully closing the account, depending on your account status. That keeps your credit reporting history stable while stopping new charges. To keep things simple, here's the process that actually works. Log into Kikoff and go to Account Settings. Cancel your subscription and confirm the request. Then review a credit report later to make sure the account is still being reported correctly. After cancellation, monitor your credit report for a few weeks to confirm no errors appear in account status or payment history. That helps you catch issues early before they affect future credit applications. Like and subscribe for more clear credit building guides that explain what actually happens behind the scenes without confusing jargon.